So guys, I've been telling you that at the comfort of your home, are you a stay-home mom? Are you a mother? Are you a housewife? Or you're working class? You're a student? You don't need to struggle. You can make money from home at the comfort of your home with what you do, what you eat, what you use. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how $15 can make you a meal in United Arab Emirates. And we're talking about an African meal. We are talking about a Ugandan meal. We are talking about matoke. So when we are talking about $15, matoke is a bit expensive. And by the time I made the video, it was expensive because of some reasons. Then I'm going to be showing you anyway, you know, it's me who does videos. So the meal is for 2 people, and these are the plates I always serve on. These are for day-to-day, but if you come as a visitor, we'll give you nice plates. So we did not count vegetables or raw vegetables. This is always part of my meal. So we only counted main course, that is the sauce, but we didn't put dessert. So this is exactly the food. I'll be also putting for you the photo on it. This is the food. This one is matoke, Ugandan matoke. It was 1 kilogram. Yes, we always buy like 3 kilograms, but this is almost 1 kilogram. Then this is semolina. Semolina is like posho, and the way you prepare it matters to make it look like posho. Then when we go to the sauce is interesting. You know, I'm a yellow girl, so the sauce I'll also put for you a photo on top. These ones are beans, fried beans. Then this is beef. If you see here, boneless beef, fried, and in it there is some egg. You can see something white. I'll put for you on top. Yeah, so this is it. And we always have, of course, juice, some juice, homemade juice, and also water. Now this meal is $15. $15 is around 55,000 Ugandan shillings. You eat well, you sleep well, you be comfortable. Who said that you cannot eat at 55,000 in United Arab Emirates at home? If you use 55,000, that is $15 to go outside your home, it will be too small. But you can prepare this meal and enjoy it. Let me show you now. So this is how I served my plate. It might look too much, but it's not too much. The plate is big, but anyway, I always have dinner and lunch once in a day. So others is tea and snacks. Yeah, this is matoke. So it's dinner for 2 people. So another person is going to take this. You might be wondering exactly what is the intention of this video. This video is to show you that you can use your energy and turn it into should we call it greener content, greener video, irrespective of the niche you have. No matter what, you can turn it and make CPM be high. How do you make the CPM high? My intention was not to show you my meal or the meal we are having today. The intention was to show you how you can twist. You get it? You can twist your videos. In this video, you did not hear me say, eat with me. No. What I said I used $15 to make a meal of 2. So the algorithm is going to get $15. How you can use $15 in United Arab Emirates? It is how. So style up from today, if you watch this video, you can even forward it to someone else, irrespective in the niche you're in. You can be in the niche of travel, you can be in the niche of get ready with me, you can be in the niche of cooking. I've seen most people are into the niche of cooking, but they end up saying how to cook this. How you can say how to cook this, but you can bring in these optimized words. When you bring in these optimized statements, there's a way they uplift. Should I call it uplifting? There's a way they uplift your, how advertisers see your content, see your video, because it will attract the premium advertisers. But when you leave it as an ordinary video for cooking, for serving, it will attract the low advertisers. So I've come to know that this video wasn't meant to show you what I ate, but this video is teaching you how you can make your videos. So guys, have you visited our YouTube channel? If you've not visited, if you're watching this video on TikTok, you're watching it on Facebook, you can go and visit our YouTube channel and other social media platforms. The goal is to make money with what we have, what we do on a daily basis. So guys, thank you very much. See you in another video, but before that, allow me appreciate our top engagers. I love you so much. Disclaimer, you guys, this video is for educational purposes. I couldn't wait to finish the video. I want to taste this matoke. In Uganda, we call it matoke. Let me know how you call it. In my language, let me know how you call it in your language. The beans, and above all, I love this. I have my friend, I introduced her this, and she loves it so much.